Hyundai IONIQ, install Convex Android GPS player 464 Qualcomm. Okay, you have to add on a Canbus power socket, a plug and play socket, okay, and a radio antenna socket. Okay, 16-pin power socket, and this is a 2-pin socket for Canbus setting. Okay, now plug in. Convex 2023 Snapdragon 8-core processor. Cái socket bao giờ vậy? Okay, Android 11, Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 64-bit. Okay, 1280x720 QLED screen. $464. DDR4 64GB. Okay, this player can support for the 360 bird view. Optional add-on for the bird view front, rear, left, right camera. Full menu. Styling. Okay, you have to go set Canbus setting, factory, car model, choose for race, Hyundai Kia, Hyundai O, and click save. Now for steering control, okay, so this is Hyundai IONIQ. Okay, Android GPS big screen player with OEM casing. I'll show you a casing later. And a plug and play socket. This is a RCA and a 4G antenna socket. 4G SIM slot, mic input. Okay, OEM casing for 9-inch. Convex Android. Installed by Canbus in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong, Selangor, Malaysia. Video by Andy. Thank you.